Right when I was starting to film this video, I was pulling in about 4,200 watts in solar power. But what I wanted to show you is kind of a little mini overview. I'm doing some laser thermometer spot checks, looking for hot spots. But let's get a baseline here. It's about 95 degrees here in the garage, 12:45 in the afternoon on the 18th of June. Go Sooners. Alright, here's my 3 Midnight Solar Classics, 2 150s and 1 Classic 200. I'm using a Walmart desktop fan to force some air up through the gutter and behind those Midnight Solar Classics. They're not against the plywood there. There's actual spacers behind them. This is my do-it-yourself homemade voltage and frequency counter. That's what's actually coming off the inverter. Up there is a timer that I got at Lowe's that controls the desktop fan and those 2 USB fans in the Midnight Solar DC disconnect box. Making about 969 watts of solar power. The sun's behind a cloud right now, but I'm consuming about 2,000. On this Midnight Solar MNDC 250 Plus, it has rooms for 3 Carling C-Series panel mount non-polarized circuit breakers, and also 3 of the same C-Series type breakers for the actual Midnight Solar Classics. I've got them labeled, and since this is a 250, it comes with a 250 amp circuit breaker for the inverter. Alright, let's pull out the infrared laser thermometer and look for some hot spots. And like I said, I was pulling over 4,200 watts, so the time difference on cooling down isn't that much. As you can see, it's 95 degrees inside the garage and about 10 to 15 degrees above that on the ones that get hot. Look at that, that's not even hot right there. Those are the PV breakers up there. Nothing to write home about. Can't find much heat at all. And those little micro USB fans, I did a video on this about 1.5 years ago. That's just the shiznit with keeping things nice and cool here. Just a little USB deal. Alright, here's my clamp meter connected on the negative going into the inverter. It's pulling about 80 amps. That's about right. 4-aught welding cable. Jury's still out on that. So, alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.